going down.
These are the elevators here at the Arcade Hyatt Regency
Basement. Going up.
in Cleveland, Ohio. We got some modernized elevators that were modded by Schindler with EPCO Fixtures. Let's see how high we can go. Lobby it is.
Lobby. Going up.
Let's see, is it gonna go up or is it gonna change direction? Change direction.
Basement. Going up.
I'm gonna look out here. As you can see, these have very narrow doors. And the elevators themselves are pretty tiny too. Go to lobby.
Lobby. Going up.
I'm gonna look at something real quick.
Basement. Going up.
I'm not gonna send it up. But I wanna look around a little bit. I'm wondering, is there like an old manual elevator here? It's like bathrooms down here. But there doesn't seem to be a whole lot down here. And I'm gonna get off on the lobby.
Lobby. Going up.
Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna go over and get a look at this beautiful, gorgeous atrium. Look at that. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Well, there they go, and that'll be